Hi guys, in this video we will learn about strings in C#. So let's get started. The string data type in C# stores a sequence of characters. It uses 16 bits per character for storage purpose. Some examples of strings are save water, hello there, and you would have already noticed that a string value is enclosed in double quotes. There's a quote in the beginning and there's a quote in the end. Also, when we are dealing with strings, there is something we need to understand about escape sequences. Escape sequences allow us to print non-printable characters such as tab on your computer or carriage return. They also allow us to print special characters such as double quotes which are within the string. So if we look at the string hello world, where word is in double quotes, so how do we print these strings in the console? Because in C#, double quote means the value within it is a string, but here the double quote is occurring within the string. So we'll see an example how to do that using escape sequences. So for such characters you need to use the backslash character to escape characters that otherwise have a different meaning. We'll see an example of it very soon. For instance, to print a tab, we type the backslash character before the letter T, like \T. Such a combination of characters beginning with the backslash followed by the letter or a digits is referred to as escape sequence. So let us see some escape sequences here. So if we want to print single quote in a string, we use backslash single quote, and if we want to use a double quote, we have to use slash double quote. Similarly, if we want to use a slash as part of the string, we need to use double backslashes. Similarly, the new line character can be displayed by /n, tab character by /t, form field by /f, carriage return /r. These are more applicable to the Unix environment. And then we have got /u for Unicode escape sequences for character with the hex value. So let us now see a demo program which utilizes some of these features. Let me bring up the Visual Studio, and this time we will also create a new project using console application. If I click next here, and if I name the application as string demo, leave everything else default and click on the next button, and we will use the target framework as .NET 5.0, and it will give me a skeleton program. Again, to save time in typing the code during this video, what I will do is I will copy paste the code in this program, but what I would recommend is you guys, you type all the program yourself in the code window so that you get the hang of it. I will put the link to download code in the description of the video. So if I just replace the code within the main method with the code I have already written. So as you can see, there are a couple of variable initializations. Let me first of all run this code so that I can relate the output to the code I have written. So if I just run this program, so as you can see, we have declared a variable myString1 as string data type, which contains value say water. So when I display it in the console window, so it comes as it is. And the second string, which is my string 2, contains a single quote like John's laptop. So in order to display the single quote, what we need to do is we need to use the escape character, which is backslash, and then use our single quote. So it has to be written like John backslash single quote S and then laptop. And in our next string, which is my string 3, we want to put quotes around the word and sign of exclamation. So in order to do that, what we need to do is wherever these double quotes are, we need to prefix them by slash. So here is one backslash and there is another backslash. So this quote is for the actual string end and this is the string beginning quote. And in the next string 4, what we are doing is we are trying to put a new line character after the word hello. So that's exactly what has happened. So if I see hello here, it is displayed hello, and then it press the enter button here. And you notice there is a space here because there is a space here as well, because after pressing the enter key, then there is a space and then word, and this is how it is displayed. And then our next string is hello tab character, which is 8 spaces on Microsoft Windows computer, and then the word, and that's exactly it has done that here. Hello tab and then the word. And in the last string, which is my string 6, what we have done here is we have tried to display the yen sign using the Unicode characters. If you remember our PowerPoint, here we have to specify the Unicode escape sequence with the hex value with /u. That's exactly what we have done. We have given /u and the hex code for the yen sign. So it has displayed the yen sign in the console window. And finally, we have got a console.read key, which is waiting for any key to be pressed. So if I go there and click on the space and the window closes and we are back to the Visual Studio. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video as it really encourages me to create more. Thanks for watching.